What if your next phone is not a phone at all? Snap Inc., the parent company of Snapchat, is working on something revolutionary: lightweight augmented reality glasses that might replace your smartphone by the year 2026. These glasses will let you send messages, take calls, use maps, and browse social media, all directly from your eyes, without ever touching a phone. Imagine this. You wake up, put on your glasses, and see notifications, weather updates, and directions floating in front of your eyes in real time. With gesture control, voice commands, and artificial intelligence overlays, Snap's augmented reality glasses aim to give you a full digital experience, hands-free and screen-free. Compared to Apple's Vision Pro or Meta's smart glasses, Snap is focusing on making augmented reality more affordable, lighter, and youth-centric. Will the year 2026 be the year we say goodbye to smartphones? Snap says yes. Would you wear these smart glasses? Let us know in the comments.